Hey guys, welcome to the Fumble. I'm Crystal Marie. LeBron James isn't in the NBA to make friends. He's in the league to win championships. The Cleveland Cavaliers superstar admitted recently that there aren't many players in the league that he considers to be very good friends. During an interview earlier this season, Kevin Love said that he and James were not best friends. The media ran wild with the quote and began speculating that there were problems in the locker room in Cleveland. Well, that certainly was not the case. James admits that they aren't best friends, but it's not because the two are beefing. It's because LeBron likes to keep his circle of BFFs very small. James says he only has 3 close friends in the entire league: Carmelo Anthony, Chris Paul, and Dwayne Wade. People get so infatuated with the best of friends, things of that nature, James said, according to Cleveland.com. First of all, I've got 3 very good friends in this league, and that's Carmelo Anthony, and that's CP, and that's D Wade. And after that, I have a bunch of teammates. I have guys I ride for every day. Even if he doesn't consider any of his current teammates to be his very good friends, LeBron still has high praise for them. Kyrie is a guy I understand how important he is to this team, and the same with Kev as well. Friends or no friends, at the end of the day, we're all here to do one thing, and that's to win, he said. Whatever their relationship is, it's working. LeBron and his teammates have transformed the Cavaliers into one of the Eastern Conference's top teams. For more on all your favorite athletes, visit us at thefumble.com. To watch LeBron James and Iman Shumpert have an impromptu dunk contest, click here. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to The Fumble for more on all your favorite athletes.